The Delta variant of the COVID-19 virus has millions of people concerned about the strength of current vaccinations. News Nation's Felicia Bolton has been tracking the issue and has more from the nation's leading infectious disease doctor. Felicia.
Hey, Aaron, medical experts say the vaccines not only work for the first form of COVID-19, but also the Delta variant. And they are seeing more mutations of this virus start to pop up around the U.S. As the Delta variant of the COVID-19 virus continues to spread around the world, some U.S. states are seeing a pause in their vaccination rates. And doctors say many people are still dying from this disease.
Most of the people that are admitted to the hospital with COVID are not vaccinated. It looks like the vaccine is doing a very good job in preventing hospitalization.
Dr. Richard Van Ink is the Director of Epidemiology and Infection Prevention with Bronson Healthcare in Kalamazoo, Michigan. He says companies like Pfizer creating a third shot booster dose is a good thing in case one is needed to prolong the effectiveness of the vaccine or better fight new variants.
Boosting is always a good thing. The question is it necessary? How much more protection does a booster provide?
Scientists say viruses are constantly changing through mutation, and new variants of the coronavirus was expected to occur. The CDC says they are currently monitoring 4 notable variants in the United States: Alpha, Beta, Gamma, and now Delta, which was first detected in the U.S. March of 2021.
Well, if you're not vaccinated, you should be concerned, George, because it's very clear that this is a nasty variant. It has a much greater capability of transmitting from person to person. We know from extensive experience, not only in our own country here in the United States, but in other countries, that the vaccines that we are using work extremely well against the Delta variant, particularly in preventing advanced disease that would lead to hospitalization and likely death in some circumstances.
Dr. Fauci says the concern now is some states still have very low vaccination rates. The CDC says 159.3 million Americans are fully vaccinated. But these states have the lowest rates of vaccination in the nation. Medical experts believe the difference is connected to a political divide. A recent poll by the Washington Post shows that 93% of Democrats say they're vaccinated or will be vaccinated. Only 49% of Republicans say the same.
I mean, what we're trying to do is to just put politics aside. This is no time for politics. This is a public health issue, and viruses and public health don't know the difference between a Democrat, a Republican, or an independent.
And Fauci says he is asking clergy and other trusted leaders in local communities to step up and help encourage people to get vaccinated and also to take their health seriously, especially with the Delta variant spreading all around the world.